can make this sweet potato and snow fungus dessert even with your eyes closed. It's so easy.
This sweet potato, snow fungus, and red date dessert is rich in dietary fiber and natural collagen, aiding digestion and promoting radiant skin. Red dates also nourish the blood and boost energy, making it perfect for autumn and winter wellness. Ingredients: sweet potato, snow fungus, red dates, goji berries. Soak the snow fungus in hot water until softened, then rinse it thoroughly and trim off the tough yellow base. Tear or cut the softened snow fungus into small pieces for easier cooking and a better texture. Properly prepared snow fungus releases more gelatin, making the dessert smoother and more enjoyable to eat. The tough and indigestible base of snow fungus can ruin the texture and make us discomfort, so it must be removed before cooking. Trimming the yellow base helps the snow fungus release more gelatin, resulting in a softer, smoother texture and safer consumption. Snow fungus typically needs to be simmered for 30 to 40 minutes to fully release its gelatin. Using a pressure cooker can reduce the time to about 20 minutes. The more finely shredded and fully soaked the snow fungus is, the faster it releases gelatin, resulting in a thicker and smoother soup. Peel and cube sweet potato. Peeled and cubed sweet potatoes cooked in dessert soup release more sweetness and aroma, enhancing the overall flavor. Cutting sweet potatoes into small pieces reduces cooking time, allowing them to soften and absorb flavors more quickly. Smaller sweet potato pieces provide a smoother texture, creating a more harmonious and layered dessert with snow fungus and red dates. It's super easy, just put all the ingredients into a pressure cooker and let it cook for 20 minutes. Simmer in a regular pot if you don't have pressure cooker. Just cook over low heat for 40 to 50 minutes. After boiling, the snow fungus and sweet potatoes will soften and release gelatin. For normal soup pot, do stir occasionally to prevent sticking, and add hot water if needed to maintain a consistent consistency. Once done, sweeten it up just how you like it. For a natural touch, try adding rock sugar or honey instead of regular sugar. Serve it up, sprinkle with goji berries, and dig in. The goji berries will plump up beautifully in the warm soup, adding color and nutrition. The dessert soup offers a mellow sweetness, blending the earthiness of sweet potatoes, the silky texture of snow fungus, and the rich depth of red dates. When the snow fungus releases its gelatin, the broth turns luxuriously thick and coats the spoon with a bird's nest-like smoothness. The natural sweetness from red dates and goji berries infuses the soup, leaving a lingering fragrance without excessive sugar. The sweet potato chunks stay tender yet intact, releasing a subtle caramelized aroma with each bite. Served warm, the slight tartness of goji berries and the delicate fragrance of snow fungus create layers of flavor perfect for nourishing in cold seasons. Snow fungus is another name for silver ear fungus, named for its snow-white appearance when soaked. It was once a tribute to ancient Chinese royalty. Fresh snow fungus contains toxins and must be sun-dried or heat-processed before consumption. Its gelatinous substance contains trimellipolysaccharide, a hydrating compound more effective than hyaluronic acid edible skincare. Wild snow fungus grows on deadwood, while cultivated varieties release gelatin faster, but share similar nutritional benefits. In Japan, it's called shirikikarachi and used in vegan jelly desserts. Natural moisturizing factor: snow fungus polysaccharides hold 5x more water than hyaluronic acid, plumping skin from within. Anti-aging shield: its antioxidants neutralize free radicals like edible sunscreen. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.